Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Lodge 17-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet, a versatile kitchen essential perfect for beginners and pros alike. This skillet works on any cooktop, oven, grill, or even over a campfire, thanks to its durable cast iron construction. It comes pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, giving you a natural non-stick surface that actually improves with every use. If you notice any rust spots, don't worry, just scrub them off and re-season with oil to keep your pan in great shape. The skillet offers excellent heat retention for even cooking from edge to edge, making it ideal for frying and roasting. Crafted in the USA by a family-owned company since 1896, Lodge is committed to quality and environmental responsibility. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, this cast iron skillet is built to last and perform beautifully. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.